This is a genuine issue, particularly in the United Kingdom and across many European countries. For instance, if a customer wishes to install any insulation product, the installation cost alone is often at least 3 times the cost of the particular product itself. In the UK, the shortage of skilled building contractors and the high cost of scaffolding make the situation worse. Homeowners may have to wait months, facing extended disruption as a result. Many customers choose not to insulate their homes at all and continue paying much higher energy bills, which directly contributes to the cost of living crisis in the United Kingdom. There is, in fact, a huge potential in the UK housing market because if homeowners properly insulate their properties, the value of their homes can rise significantly, alongside the energy savings they would gain. Our vacuum insulation wallpaper VIW is a true innovation. As you can see, these are the two samples that I would like to show you. Now, vacuum insulation wallpaper is a world's first wallpaper that uses an ultra-thin vacuum insulation panel with a total thickness of just 4 mm and a thermal conductivity of 5 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. It is designed for DIY installation. All dimensions, sizes, and shapes are fully customizable to suit your requirements. The standard sheet size is 200 mm by 200 mm, and this has been chosen deliberately. If one sheet is ever damaged, the effect is limited to a very small area, so the overall insulation performance is not compromised. Smaller sheets are also easier to transport, pack, and handle, which helps reduce costs. For more details and frequently asked questions about this VIW and all other products, please visit www.sanyoulondon.com. Vacuum insulation wallpaper VIW is made up of 3 layers. The front layer is a customizable design surface available in any color or pattern to suit your interior decor. The middle layer is a 3 mm thick vacuum insulation panel that offers exceptional thermal resistance and helps reduce heat transfer. The back layer features a strong self-adhesive made from oil-based glue combined with a fiberglass mesh, ensuring a durable, secure bond to the wall surface. To compare thermal conductivity and thickness parameters, first, just to repeat myself, the lower the thermal conductivity, the better the insulation, and the lower the cooling energy loss or heating energy loss. What we see here is that our 4 mm thick vacuum insulation wallpaper VIW has a thermal conductivity of just 5, which is remarkably low, although it has a higher U value of 1.3 watt per meter square per Kelvin due to its ultra thin profile. Still clearly outperforms any conventional insulation materials when it comes to thermal conductivity. Now let's compare a 10 mm thick thermal insulated wallpaper that has a thermal conductivity of 74 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. The 4 mm thick wall rock thermal liner shows 50 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. Even at 250 mm, rock mineral wool only reaches 34. At 200 mm, glass mineral wool has 44. PIR, even at 180 mm, has a thermal conductivity of 22, and EPS at 100 mm still comes in at 36 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. This means that when we apply vacuum insulation wallpaper onto a structured insulated panel SIP system, we can expect a 51% reduction in effective thermal conductivity. Likewise, applying VIW to a concrete or prefabricated wall could lead to an 87% reduction. For a cob wall, the reduction is around 61%, for a cavity wall 42%, and for a single brick wall approximately 71%. These reductions clearly demonstrate the strong potential of vacuum insulation wallpaper to minimize heating and cooling energy losses, ultimately contributing to significant reduction in energy bills. These proof of concept illustrations of the vacuum insulated wallpaper VIW showcases an energetic and modern look across various interior spaces, including the bedroom, dining area, lounge, and kitchen, with the white brick effect, yellow mesh marble effect, and oak wood effect. However, we have now partnered to offer a wide range of VIW front layer designs, patterns, and colors. For example, here you can see the product designs and codes for VIW stone finishes. Stone designs continued in this slide. The selection of calendared film designs, metallic film designs, and single pressure color designs. The range of single pressure color designs continues, showcasing more options available for VIW front layers. And here the selection of double pressure color designs and wood grain designs. VIW applications are pretty much suitable for homes and residential buildings, including living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. They are also ideal for commercial spaces such as offices, retail stores, and restaurants. In villas where both aesthetics and insulations are important, customizable VIW designs offer a practical solution. Due to its lightweight nature, VIW can also be applied in aircraft cabins, offering both thermal and acoustic insulation through varied outer layers. Additionally, VIW can be integrated into vehicle interiors to enhance insulation and minimize heat loss, cooling loss between the vehicle's interior and exterior environments. For more details about the vacuum insulated wallpaper VIW, including FAQs and installation instructions, visit www.sanyoulondon.com or download the full product catalog by scanning this QR code with your mobile phone. If you want the best, this is the best. We will make you a realistic, competitive offer that you would be inclined to consider it. We have an excellent and dedicated team, and we invite you to get in touch with our customer service team for further information, tailored price quotations, or to discuss your specific project requirements. You can explore our full range of vacuum insulation energy products, review details of the specification of each product, purchasing process, and browse our FAQs by visiting our website www.sanyoulondon.com. If you'd prefer a direct conversation, you are most welcome to contact me personally by email or by phone so we can discuss how our disruptive innovations can contribute to the success of your project. Let's work together to take a meaningful step forward in the evolution of energy savings by putting our vacuum insulation innovative solutions into action where impact truly begins. Thank you.